Welcome back to my channel. This is your Ate Ara. Again, trying to share something very painful that happens to me these days. The COVID pandemic is not only medical crisis, but also psychological one, along with the collective anxieties, stress and sadness comes collective loss and sorrows. Loss can shake our senses of self. Here abroad, we have to cope our grief alone, away from the families, friends, and the people we are used to. I want to share my own experience to you with the loss of my brother. Last week, I had a very painful experience, very personal one. I lost my brother. I lost the youngest brother I have, Jeff. And up to now, it's really painful. After now, I can't imagine. But life must go on. So I have to maybe share this and help to those who are experiencing or will experience this pain, this grief that I am and my family is experiencing right now. When I learned my brother's death, it was a shock. It was a shock, but I have to stand out and be in order so I can think correctly and I can manage everything from here. Everything was in a fast forward mode. Due to time difference, it was not easy. I become like a zombie. I feel so tired. I couldn't sleep. I feel like I hear everything and I cannot hear more. Even if I just read the condolences and messages from the family and friends, I hear them. It's like something so difficult for me to hear anymore. But what can we do? At this time, you die alone. My mother is also not with my brothers in my brother's house in the same city with my brother. She lives, but with the help of our friends and family, we were able to help and keep all things in order. My brother was buried, and then the family that he left behind were taken care of by our neighbors and the barangay captains and also the friends who are living nearby. I cannot thank enough my friends who extends their help in whatever form, financially or with kinds, food, also comforting words for Jeff's family in Tarlac. And then after that, the government organized a swabbing for the whole family, and thank God we're all negative with COVID. So right now, quarantine. with our traditional things in Philippines, where we need to pray for the dead for 9 days, and we usually have wakes. These were all done through online. I thank God for this network where we can be able to be like with each other, but in different places. So somehow we can see each other and feel our pain and listen to our cries, or even laugh and have party. I'm thankful for the Filipinos who are around here, who are my friends, who came very fast when they heard the news and gave me a hug and also pray for my brother. So this is what good with Philippine culture. They are very fast. They are very open, and they all extend their hands to help and comfort you. Trying to We're trying to surpass a very painful experience in our lives today, these days, for the loss of my brother. And I want to share with you how we try to make things possible from here, from abroad, and coordinate the things in Philippines, and how we can trying to survive the pains, and how we mourn, how we get through this in our daily routines and our ways and means here abroad, away from the family, away from the people who are we get used to how we surpass this kind of tragedy that comes to our life. This we cannot do anything but to be to have a lamay. Lamay is wake, and this is now possible only through online. It helps to name and claim your grief, putting words into it, putting words into our losses can help enlighten our pains and sorrows. It will help us to get out into this challenging transition.
Si J-Boy, maraming alaala niya sa akin ay nung bata siya. Kasi noon sa amin si Jeff, nung bata siya, nung magsimula na siyang binata na siya, matagal kaming hindi nakita. Tutan yung yakap niya sa akin, mahigpit. Ang sabi niya, ang tawag niya sa akin, Mama don't quit. Hanggang lumaki siya, tinatawag pa rin niya akong Mama don't quit. Nung pumunta sila dito sa Dagupan, yung bago mag-lockdown, nakapasyal sila dito, nagdagat sila sa Tundaligan. At pinakilala niya ako kay Ethan bilang kanyang Mama don't quit. Nung umuwi nga sila, ang pangako niya, babalik ulit sila dito sa susunod na taon. Hindi naman na nangyari dahil nag-lockdown na, diretso na. Kaya hindi na kami nagkita. Nung huli lang, nung birthday ko, minessage lang niya ako ng happy birthday, ganun. Tapos, huling-huli, noon, ang hindi ko makalimutan sa kanya, pinapadalhan niya ako ng vitamins ko, at saka mga vitamins kay Auntie Edith, binibigay niya sa akin. Kaya, hindi ko makakalimutan yun dahil inaalala pa rin niya pala ako kahit na matagal kaming hindi nakikita. At nitong huli, noong July 1, nung pumunta dito si Auntie Edith, dahil birthday ni Toscano, pinadalhan niya ako ng 2 manok. Kahit pala, hindi pa rin niya ako kinakalimutan. Naaalala pa rin niya ako kung anong meron siya. Binibigyan din niya ako. Kaya, hindi ko yung makakalimutan na pinapakita niya sa akin. Hindi man kami madalas magkita, hindi man kami nagkikita. Yung memories niya noon, na lagi siya dito sa amin, hindi pala niya yun nakakalimutan. Ganun din ako. Parang anak ko na siya. Kasi lagi ko siyang katabi sa pagtulog pag naiiwan dito na auntie. Masama ang loob ko.
How is Jeff as a person? Si Jeff po ay isang pinsan, kaibigan, kapartner sa business at higit sa lahat kapareho kong tatay. Si Jeff ay sa isang simpleng paglalarawan ay isang ulirang ama sa kanyang nag-iisang anak. Gagawin niya ang lahat para makapag-provide sa kanyang pamilya. Larawan siya ng kasipagan. Si Jeff din ay isang tao na full of passion sa kanyang ginagawa. Isang taong punong-puno ng pangarap. Si Jeff ay isang matalino, mapagmahal na anak, mabuting kapatid at kapartner kay Claire. Gagawin niya ang lahat para sa kanyang pamilya. Isang tao na punong-puno ng pangarap. Ganito ko po mailalarawan si Jeff.
Naalala ko po nung una ko po siyang nakasama. Alam niyo po yung parang nagkaroon ka ng kuya. Kasi po lagi kanyang pinapangiti. Minsan pag hindi siya busy, sasama ka niya. Bibili kami ng kung ano-ano, pagkain, ganun. Ang hindi ko po makalimutang alaala na kasama ko si Tito Jeff ay nung sinama niya kami na magpintura. So, yun, binigay sa akin si Tito Jeff, which is yung bola. Kasi nung time na sinama niya ako sa court, medyo wala akong alam, shoot lang kahit na hindi pumapasok sa ring, ganun. Kaya sabi niya sa akin na pag uwi mo, bibigay ko na lang to sa'yo para pag praktisan mo na lang. Yun. Kaya to Jeff, saan ka man, maraming salamat sa masayang alaala na iniwan niyo po sa akin, sa aming lahat. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yun. Yun lang po.
Tol Jeff, paalam. Salamat sa mga alaala na iniwan mo sa amin. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan, Tol. naging mabuti kang pinsan sa amin lahat. Pero sa akin tol, hindi kita pinsan tol eh. Yung nararamdaman ko ito, hindi ako nawala ng pinsan tol. Yung nararamdaman ko araw-araw tol, nung mawala ka, nawalan ako ng kapatid tol. Pero balang araw, hindi man tayo nagkita ngayon tol. Balang araw magkikita ulit tayo. Balang araw tol, nakikita kita ulit. Salamat tol. Salamat sa napakagandang alaala. Lalong-lalo nung mga bata pa tayo. Minsan hindi tayo nag-away. Turi ko sa ito, kapatid. Salamat. Salamat tol. Paalam. Ingat ka dyan. Hintayin mo kami.
Hi bro. We practically grew up together. We've been classmates, friends from elementary to high school, board mates and classmates until early college. Our lives have taken us to different paths since then, and we have not been in touch as much as we should have, and there's regret there. Daya mo, wala na pala tayo magiging chance na makapag-catch up ulit. But I'm taking consolation in the fact that you've been a big part of my life. Siyempre, we've been old friends. We practically grew up together. And you've been a brother to me, of course. You're my brother. You will forever be missed. And I'm glad that you are now with our Creator, and I celebrate your life, bro. Goodbye, and until we meet again.